to Angie's Table. Today we are going to be making something called Bugak, and it's a very traditional and simple snack in Korea. They usually make it with just seaweed, but today I'm going to be making it with a lot of different veggies to bring the colors out. And I decided to make this because I watched this new show called Younstay, and it's all these actors and actresses in Korea. They provide housing and food for foreigners who come to Korea even in the midst of COVID. And they had this out as an appetizer and everyone loved it, especially the sauce that they made was a hit. So let's go and try this out. And it's not the traditional way, but I think this is the method that they use. So let's go and see what the ingredients are. So I wanted to start off by giving you guys a quick explanation and details to the ingredients. So yes, we are using rice paper instead of that mixture of water and rice powder that they normally put on Bugak. I think this is what they do because it was a really thin batter that went on when they fried it, and I think it was just this. Texture should be really crispy with this rice paper, so let's try this. And I wanted to talk to you guys about the potato. I wanted something that was more vibrant, but this color would be pretty with the black and the white. So I just use my peeler to peel it off and make very thin pieces. All right, so the first step is to wet the rice paper like you would when you eat spring rolls. And we'll lay this one down on, I have a baking sheet out here. The seaweed one is pretty easy because you just lay the seaweed on top of the rice paper, but the sweet potato, it doesn't stick on as easily, so I cut them up into pieces and kind of wrapped it so it stays put. And we'll cut this one up into pieces. It actually rips too. So I'm saving 2 sheets of paper so that we can cut it up and fry it, and this will be our white color. And we'll do this a little later. But for now, we're going to take these over to a dry area where the sun is so that we let it dry for about an hour. And in the meantime, we'll make the sauce. So now on to the sauce. We will need an immersion blender, and if you guys don't have it, a blender would be fine. The tofu first. There are probably a lot of foreign ingredients on here, so I wanted to talk to you guys about Yujacha, which is a citron tea. It is one of my favorite teas that I drink in the winter time because it's very citrusy and warm. So 들기름 is a perilla seed oil, and it is different from a sesame seed oil. I know this has to be refrigerated right after you open it, and I think the smell might be a little bit more pungent and stronger. And now time to blend. Now that we're done with the sauces, I'm gonna put it in the perspective sauce bowls and keep it refrigerated, and then we'll cut up the bugak and start frying them. And these just break off so easily. You don't have to cut it, so it's like a poplar. So we'll start off with the whites. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let us know if you guys try it out. Make sure to give us a thumbs up if you guys liked it and subscribe if you guys haven't done so, and we'll see you guys on our next video. You're not gonna dip it?